We'll guide you through how to transfer your Wix site to Shopify. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Wix account and go to the dashboard. You'll need to export your product data. Head over to the Store Products section in the dashboard. Click on Export Products, which will download a CSV file containing all your product information. Save this file somewhere easily accessible on your computer. Next, you'll need to prepare your Shopify account. Go to Shopify and log in. Once you're in the Shopify admin, go to the Products section in the sidebar. Click on Import, and then choose the CSV file you exported from Wix. Make sure you follow the instructions Shopify provides to ensure all your data is formatted correctly. This will import your products into your Shopify store. For your site content like pages and images, you'll need to manually recreate them as Shopify doesn't have a direct import feature for these elements. Create new pages in Shopify by going to the Online Store section and selecting Pages. Copy and paste your content from Wix into these new pages. For images, download them from Wix and upload them to Shopify through the Files section. If you have a blog, export your posts from Wix as an RSS feed, then import them into Shopify's blog posts section. It's also important to set up your domain on Shopify. If you're using a custom domain, you'll need to update the DNS settings to point to Shopify. In your domain registrar's settings, change the A record and CNAME record as instructed by Shopify's Domain Setup Guide. This ensures that your domain directs visitors to your new Shopify store. Finally, test your new Shopify site thoroughly to make sure everything has transferred correctly and is functioning as expected. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.